Did you know? Yes, you. You are a special and unique creation of God. Just like Esther, the queen, God has a plan for each of us. You, me, and everybody else. God used Esther, an orphan, to become a queen and hero for his people. You see, Esther was an orphan. Both her mother and her father had died. His cousin, Mordecai, raised her as his own daughter. They were both Jewish. Tell no one, Mordecai said, that we are from Israel. One day, a call came from the royal palace. The king of the land was looking for a new queen. They were having a music contest to help the king choose. The maidens were given 1 whole year of beauty treatments and special food. Who is this beautiful maiden? The king thought. His choice was made. Esther was crowned the new queen of his country, Persia. Then one day, Esther heard some terrible news. Haman, an evil man and one of the most powerful officers of the king, became mad at Esther's cousin, Mordecai. Haman tricked the king and made the king sign the law, setting a day that all Jewish people would be killed. Oh no, Esther was Jewish too. Neither the king nor Haman knew this. Esther was so afraid. She knew she needed to talk to the king, but talking to the king without being invited was not allowed. She knew she could be killed, but Mordecai told her, "Who knows if perhaps you were made a queen for just such a time as this?" Esther decided to be brave. Esther fasted and prayed. The people also fasted and prayed. When the king saw Esther, she told him her secret. She was from Israel. Would the king help? Of course he would. Esther had saved the Israelites. Remember this. Esther trusted God even when she did not understand his plans. She went to him instead of following her own plans. Proverbs chapter 3, verse 5 to 6. Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways submit to him, and he will make your paths straight.